So here we are joined by some very special dignitaries who have come to obviously add more grace to the season 3 of DPL. Here we go, Rohan Jaitley, President of DDCA, and then of course we have Harbhajan Singh, the pride of India and legendary ex-Indian cricketer who's won millions of hearts globally. Then we have Akash Nangia, who's the owner of Purani Delhi 6. I'll start with you, Rohan. We heard how this year onwards we've gotten more sponsors, better brands on board for the season 3 of DPL. What would you like to say about that?
See, what happens is that when we started season 1, and I'm really grateful to all the team owners because we had great support from team owners. They went in, like, if I can say, they went in with their eyes closed on what we had to offer as a concept, and they put some faith in us and they saw what was being delivered, and eventually over the last 2 seasons we saw good talent coming out, young players, unknown players, like who were not there to be seen. Like we had Priyansh in season 1, someone who had not played IPL got auctioned for like more than 2.5 crores subsequent to the season over here. And when we see such stats, last year was Tejasvi Dhaya and Sarthak Ranjan, who we see playing exceptionally well this season. So we're looking at some exceptionally good players coming out, and suddenly we see this year that the league's profile, the credibility, the reputation is increasing because we see a good response by sponsors. And when we see good sponsors coming on board, we always are grateful because when we have team owners like Akash and the other team owners looking after the players like family for more than about 45-50 days, then we're certainly doing something right in the right direction. And when we have legendary players come in to motivate them, especially like Bajipaji coming in and others, like we had Viru a few days ago. So that's the X factor of the league, I would say. That's how the youngsters get motivated to do much more for the state and for actually the team that they're playing for in the franchisee cricket.
And Baji sir, it's always great to have you at a cricket ground, and even the fans are very excited to see you. So what brought you here at the stadium today?
And obviously cricket brought me here, and of course my great friend Akash Nangia, owning a team here, when he asked me casually, why don't you come and watch the game? I said, okay, I will come. And my another brother, he's been very kind. He always make sure all those old players like us, are invited and
giving the respect. Like he was mentioning that Viru was here 2 days back, and it's nice to have administrative like him, who is running the show, and taking those seniors also along to learn, what can be done better for this beautiful game, जिसके कारण हम सब हैं. मैं यही कहने आया हूँ कि क्रिकेट बढ़नी चाहिए. इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये एक मौका नहीं है कि ये 40 दिन का, ये 40 दिन में आपको कितने और बड़े मौके मिलते हैं वो खिलाड़ियों को जहाँ अच्छा खेलते हैं. दे गेट इनटू अ बिगर लीग्स. देन ऑब्वियसली इन्होंने बात करी कि एक प्लेयर का प्राइस जो है वो एक प्राइस टैग, एक अलग बात. जो अपना करियर बनाने के लिए जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, दीज आर मच बिगर थिंग्स. एंड इनके जैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हो, ऐसे दोस्त हों जो टीम को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर कि आने वाले समय में दिल्ली प्रीमियर लीग का जो स्तर है वो और बेहतर होगा. और क्रिकेट जैसी मैंने देखी है, टीवी पे देख रहा था, 200 रन चेज हो रहे हैं, 250 रन चेज हो रहे हैं. सम गुड क्रिकेटर्स आई सीन प्लेइंग द फॉर्मेट. द अदर डे आई वॉच्ड दैट यंग टॉल गाय, वो जिसने पैर मारा और वो रन आउट हुआ ऐसा कि जो कमाल का रन आउट था अपने आप में.
Himmat Singh. Never seen something like that. He was dejected. Yeah, this game's gone out of my hand. He out of anger kicked the ball and there was a run out.
Yeah, but I would say कि don't do it often. Try to catch the ball और लगाएं. But lovely to be here again. I have got great memories playing here in this beautiful ground. बहुत memories हैं, बहुत सारे matches, man of the matches मिले हैं यहाँ पे. So lovely to be back with my brothers, and I wish you guys all the very best.
Thank you.
May the best team win.
I know.
And I hope it's yours.
Yeah, that was not at all partial. Akash, my next question is for you. Why did you choose Delhi Premier League out of all the leagues, apart from the fact that Rohan is your good friend?
I think so. Delhi being a capital city obviously gets all sort of attraction, right? And I mean attention from different parts of the country. So definitely when it comes to choosing, and plus it's my domicile. I was brought up in Delhi, studied here, start my business here. So everything happened here. So it was an obvious choice for me, being hyper local. And I think at least doing schooling in college here, I at least know pockets, people, stuff that we can do to further strengthen the sport in the city and do whatever we can out of our own limited scope.
I have something to add to it. I've played a lot of cricket here. I used to play for the Air India. मैं बहुत सारी क्रिकेट खेला है दिल्ली में. और पर लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर वे में कभी कुछ नहीं था। और ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में है, जहाँ लोगों को खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है और दुनिया देख रही है टीवी के जरिए। सो इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग, इट्स अ beyond people's imagination what all is happening. These leagues are not easy to do it, and thankfully such good people are there in the cricket board who are running the show कि बच्चों के लिए इतना अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो गया। नहीं तो
बिखरी क्रिकेट थी, बहुत थी क्रिकेट, बट लेकिन अब एक जगह पे आ गई।
In fact, जो आप कह रहे हो बिल्कुल सही है। In fact, Akash will also give his point. Over the last some time, we are now अब हम 2000 मैच कर रहे हैं साल के structured under the league. ना अब starting next week एक player passport create हो रहा है. What does player passport do? Data, like you put a play, every player will have a generalized ID with a club level cricket पूरा structure हो रहा है. So in fact, next season onwards, before auction, someone like Akash will get data of not just performance but the whole profile.
How was the season otherwise for them overall picture?
How's the club season going? How's the open league going? How's club cricket going? So ये सब structure करने से क्या होता है, data निकलता है, and when you see data you get to know.
And all kudos to you, like you said.
No, and other
when we
problem
conceptualize it.
Another problem is कि wherever they are playing, you have to make sure those ground conditions are top notch. नहीं तो a game can turn with poor pitch conditions also.
I still remember the season 1 when it was just a concept and we used to talk about it, that this is how it's going to be. There'll be a Jio Hotstar, there'll be a fan code, it will be live streamed and all that. I think today we all see it as a product which has really grown multifold, and thanks to obviously like Rohan said and support from people like him who've built cricket for the country over all these years, that obviously everybody gets excited, and even the smaller younger kids now want to ensure that they become a part of DPL next season, and it's like a thing for them.
So Bhajiba, my last question is for you. I mean, obviously you've played cricket almost all your life, and you've played so many different roles as a commentator, mentor, coach. From all those different lenses, how do you look at Delhi Premier League?
It's so refreshing. When I was coming here and I was remembering some of my best spells have come to my mind. एक वो बात याद आती है, इंग्लैंड और इंडिया का मैच था, मैन ऑफ द मैच था यहाँ पे। एक वो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी था मैच, मुंबई इंडियंस और राजस्थान, बहुत क्लोज मैच था, एक ही ओवर में 3 विकेट लिए मैच जीत गए। दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एक्चुअली सॉ राहुल द्रविड़ गेटिंग एंग्री, अपनी टोपी फेंक दी थी उन्होंने। बट this is what cricket brings, different personality. Yes, very unlike, but वो sports में होता है ना, मजा है। So this is a great league, great platform. So lovely to be here again, and thank you very much for having me. Thank you Akash for having me.
Thank you for taking your time.
And I wish you guys all the very best for the future days. And I'm sure many more players will take part and play for India. So my one more wish is, just I'm saying on TV, since ये राजधानी है, हमारे साथ प्रेसिडेंट साहब बैठे हुए हैं, तो यहाँ पे ग्राउंड ना एक बहुत बढ़िया बनाना चाहिए आप।
देखिए, that is something जो हम already एक pipeline में, we've spoken to everyone in the board, we've requested, as of last week, we've had a few meetings, we requested the Honorable LG, the Chief Minister of Delhi, in fact the Urban Development Minister Sahab also, and we are in the pipeline of hopefully trying to unveil something soon by the year end. If we are able to, it will be something which will be not just unique to the country. We would have the largest stadium which is in Ahmedabad, Motera, the Narendra Modi Stadium today, and that's exceptional at more than 1,25,000 capacity. What in Delhi we are trying to do is not a large stadium on capacity. We're targeting something like 75,000-80,000 capacity, but a very unique concept. So it will be a very futuristic stadium.
Delhi deserves that.
No, it's important. It's important we have that in the city.